Hello, this is Carlos Igreja, and this is a C# program. This program takes two arrays and switches them. I did this for C# programming, very entry-level stuff. Just going through my old code. I did this in 2013. So here's the program. Basically, just takes whatever, just fill an array. So I'm gonna go enter another. You can add as many as you want. So for the first array, you just fill the array as many as you want. So when you're done, you hit 2. 1, enter another element. 2, exit array. So, and then it displays the first array. The first array is, and then 0 through 3 indexes of the array is 2, 5, 8, and 6. So for the second array, I'm going to do a 9, 5, a 7, and a 3. And I'll close this one, and then you can see what it does is it switched them around. So the 9, 5, 7, 3 is actually in the first array now, and you can see this was the second array I just created, and then the switch them method was executed and it switched them around. So the first array is now basically the second values I entered, and you can see that. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna have to enter here. Just close it out there. Okay. So yeah, it's been a while since I've seen this program. So went into the main method. We got two arrays. Okay. So fill first array. Call this fill array method, which just gets the inputs from the user. Print array, this output the array once it was filled, and the same thing for the second one. And then we saw after the switch them method was called it, and then it outputs, well, this outputs the switch them method, and then that's it. Just close the program. So yeah, so it takes the array 1 and array 2. Let's see what that does. Switch them. Array 1, array 2. We got in a temporary array. We'll store the first one in a temporary array. Store the second one in the first array, and then take the temporary array and store that in the second array. So your basic sort. And the first array is now, and then we call the print array for the first one, and the second array is now. We call the print array for the second one, and that's the switch them method. And then the fill array method. Now this one, it looks like I had an issue with figuring out, because you need to declare the array size. So, and I obviously had an issue with that. This was introductory, very introductory programming, very basic things, so I did not know too much, and so I had to figure out how I can increase the array, because I want to ask the user every time they enter something, I have to increase the array. So, and this is what I came up with. So this is where it asks the user to input an integer. Over here it checks the integer. We have the try catch for the exception handling. Store the element here, and then we store the element in the array. Increase the index, and the selection. We get this calls this method. Basically, just does the 1, 2. Asks the user to enter 1 or 2. Then we'll get that selection, and if they entered 1, index equals size, and okay, so we got index plus equals 1 here. Not sure what that is about then. Selection 2, yeah, it makes no sense why they. Anyways, so index equals size, and then size plus equals 1. We get over here. Yeah, this actually makes no sense. I do not see index. Oh, index. Okay, wait a minute. Index increase plus equals 1. Now, if index equals size, so that's why we need the plus equals 1 here. So that equals the size, I guess. Which I'm not sure where the size is. So, and index is 0 here. And so yeah, and then size will increase plus equals 1 here. So anyways, yeah, that's, I don't know what I was thinking, honestly. But yeah, this could be cleaner. Probably don't need that index or size or anything really. So array equals new int array, and then we can pass the size. So that's the idea of this anyways. We want to increase this size. So you can see here we have the temp array to store the current values of the array. We now set this to a new int with a new size, a new int array with a new size. And then we can go ahead and get the values from the temp and store it here, and then we have an empty, it's a size bigger, and we have a room for another integer. So that's basically what this does. Yeah, the code is, I don't know, could be a little cleaner, but not really that bad. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the switch array program. Thank you.